Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Today we are discussing about fractions. Okay, now today's topic is lowest form of a fraction, which is also called as standard form of a fraction. For this we want equivalent fractions. Here out of these equivalent fractions, 1 by 4, 2 by 8, 3 by 12, 4 by 16, 5 by 20, 1 by 4 is the standard form or lowest form, as the numerator and denominator are in the lowest terms and do not have any common factors here. So 1 by 4 is called as lowest form or standard form. Okay. Now I will convert the 5 by 10 fraction into lowest form. Convert the fraction 5 by 10 into the standard form or lowest form. 5 by 10. I am dividing both numerator and denominator with the same number here. 5 and 5. 5 divided by 5 and 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 1 by 2. So the lowest form of the fraction 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. Here 1 is a numerator and 2 is denominator. Numerator and denominator are in the lowest terms and do not have any common factors here. Okay. These are the some other examples of standard forms or lowest forms. 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 5 by 7, 11 by 7. Here these are the lowest, for this numerator and denominator are in the lowest terms and do not have any common factors here. So these are the standard form of a fractions. Okay, I will tell you one more example. 15 by 90. 15 by 90, 15 by 90. Convert this fraction into the standard form. So first we are dividing the numerator with 15 and denominator also with 15. 15 divided by 15, 90 divided by 50. 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1. 90 divided by 15 is equal to 6. So 1 by 6 is the standard form of the fraction 15 by 90. Hope it's clear. Now we are moving to like fractions. Okay, the definition of like fraction is if fraction have same denominator, then that type of fraction is called like fractions. Okay, here we need same denominator. Here these are the examples of like fractions. 25, 5 by 25, 8 by 25, 13 by 25, 23 by 25, etc. Okay, these are the same denominators. 25 is common for every fraction. So these are called like fractions. Okay, now we are going to compare the like fractions. Identify the biggest and smallest in this group of fraction numbers. Okay, here 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 9 by 7. 4 fractions are there. We need to identify the biggest and smallest fractions. Okay. So here all the denominators are common. So we can compare only numerator. If denominators are common, then we can ignore this. We need to compare only numerators. Here 2, 3, 5, 9. 9 is bigger. So 9 by 7 is the bigger fraction. Okay. This is the bigger fraction. Okay. And 2 is small here. So 2 by 7 is smaller fraction. Okay, I will tell you one more example also. Small fraction, 2 by 7 is small fraction and 9 by 7 is big fraction. Okay, bigger fraction. Okay, now we will check. We will go for second example. 1 by 3, 4 by 5, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 6 by 3, 9 by 3. Now we need to compare these fractions and we will find out the biggest fraction and the smallest fraction. Here denominators are same. So we can check only, we need to check only numerators. Here 1, 4, 6, 9. Here 9 is bigger and 1 is smaller. So bigger fraction is 9 by 3. Bigger fraction is 9 by 3 and smaller fraction is 1 by 3. Okay. Smaller fraction is 1 by 3. Okay. So in this concept only identify the denominator. If denominators are same, then we can say that these fractions are like fractions, and we can identify easily bigger values and smaller values only comparing the numerators. Ignore the denominators and compare the numerators and find out the big fraction and small fraction. This is the comparison of biggest and smallest. Okay. Next we will move to addition. Addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions. Find out the addition of these fractions. Okay. Here like fraction 5 by 25, 8 by 25. These both are like fractions. The denominators of these both are same. So we need to add numerators. 5 plus 8 is equal to 25. 25 is as is we can write. Okay. And 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. We need to add the both like fractions. Here 5 is common to each. 5 is common to in two fractions. So we can write down 5 and add the 3 plus 4. These two numerators we can add it. Okay. 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. 7 by 5. Okay. Addition. I hope addition concept is also clear. Now we are going to subtractions. Subtractions of like fractions. Here 8 by 25 and 3 by 25 both are like fractions. Okay, 8 by 25 minus 3 by 25, which is equal to, write denominator because both denominators are same like fractions. So write the denominator and then 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, 15 by 9 minus 5 by 9, which is equal to 10 by 9. Both the denominators are equal 9. So write 9 here. After that 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Okay. Today I have explained about like fractions. In like fractions, comparisons, like fraction definition I explained, comparison I explained. After that addition and subtraction, both all the three concepts I have explained. After that I have explained the lowest form or the standard form of a fraction also I explained. And then in my previous classes I have explained about fractions definition, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction and convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, and also equivalent fraction and fraction numbers on the number line also I have explained. If anyone want to see the videos, then please do check in my description box. I have provided the links in the description box. Hope it's clear to everyone. So I have completed the chapter 6th class fractions chapter I have completed. In my coming videos I will tell you the problems also. Okay. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye.